Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the touchscreen sensitivity on your Nintendo Switch. So maybe you have a small piece of like plastic or a screen protector on it, and it doesn't seem to be working well. Well, what you can do is go on down to System Settings right here and select this. Then scroll on down under here, and we want to go to where it says Controllers and Sensors. Go to the right, then scroll on down. And we are looking for touchscreen sensitivity. And we can go to standard and we can go to stylus right here. Using the stylus setting increases the sensitivity of the touchscreen to enhance stylus controls. So you can switch it on over to stylus, and maybe your touchscreen would be a little more sensitive. So you can go ahead and touch multiple areas on it without a problem now. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.